I kind of want to practice a little bit of, want to incorporate my handstand training today. So I'm gonna do like a simple combination today. So we just jump into the handstand like this, open my I need to figure out the legs first, so give me a sec. I need to see how it looks. And I always do on both sides. Open, then, wait, no, open, and then, wait, no, that looks disgusting. Wait, I need to figure out. So I figured out it's pretty hard to do like when I'm hanging on the ball, so let's try to do this when, from the ground first. So like this, then, wait. That doesn't look pretty. I cannot figure out. Finally, this is really hard. I finally figured this out on the floor. So, going to the handstand, then to the side, bend, to this open, to the side, and now I need to make it look smooth and beautiful. Trying to repeat it on the ball now. Yeah, I'm already tired. And tired. Remember what I've been learning last time. That was the tricky flow from Skripkina Irina. Tricky flow because the feet movement was really. So how I figured out to do it last time, because I couldn't figure out on the air, so I lay down and I repeat the movement, but I don't have a lot of space in my. So I figured out how to do it from the floor first, like feet movement. Up, then to the side, then up, then together, then circle. Wait, you see how I forgot again. To learn again. So it was like this, then going up, then rotate hips, so up, rotate, and make it a circle. Nice, yeah. Remembering how to do it, because that is really tricky. Scriptina flows are really tricky. So up. By the way, this is very good exercise for active flexibility. So going up as far as possible. Then rotate my hip. You see? I'm going up. Then just flex. Then rotate my hip. Again. Flex. And again. So now I want to repeat on the ball, but from the ground first. Supposed to do it this combo from the air, but my head's gonna be sucking a little bit, but it's okay. is not even funny though. My headset fucking. So like this, open to the split, slide, rotate. In the last week practice, I got really pissed off by learning this combo from Skripkina. So open to the side. Okay, I remember it still. Okay, now we can try to do it from the ground, from the air. From the air. That sucks. Checking my video on Instagram because I'm recording on two places to see myself. Alright, wait. Okay, but we can do it. We can do it. Something like this. Just like make it more beautiful. Need more grip. So we are gonna make it sticky yet. Still I need grip, like I don't know why I'm like fucking sliding. Like because of my I'm sliding with my hands, like lots of strength movements suck. That's why. Not because I cannot. So let's try to do again. I hit the wall. Okay, the jump off should be nicer, but it's a lot more progress since last week. I couldn't do this last week. I was pissed off, really. Mistakes. Let's do again, just practice. Not bad, but could be better. Okay. Try again, correcting myself more. Oh no. I figured this out. When I was jumping off, I was too far, so I need to wait until so I was like this. That's why the jump off was really not beautiful and not nice. So I just, aligned it with the pole so that I can bend my back first, and then it looks pretty. Now let me do it with my hair looking pretty nice, but I need to see myself. So let me, since we're doing on this side, I could just, right, so this is best. Few more attempts before looks perfect. I was sliding on this one. Let me practice a little bit more on both sides. This side so far not so sticky. Not really what I want. Okay, so for today I want to finish with my practice. Actually, I'm more satisfied than last time. You remember last time, I don't know if I make it one video or two separate, but last time I couldn't even figure out how the legs are working, but today I think it was pretty good, pretty successful, and yeah, I'm satisfied with this result. I did the combo how I wanted it. I mean, not perfect both sides yet, but at least one side I got pretty good. So you can see the process, how I'm learning new combinations, new tricks. So if you want me to, if you like videos like this, please let me know in the comments, or if you want me to break down anything from what I'm showing you, or if you want me to make a tutorial or any like trick you think you want, and I can obviously do. Well, you can request, I will tell you. And I mean, just subscribe, like, and comment, like let me know what you think. I mean, if it's useful that what I'm posting, you know, guys, because it really helps me to know. All right, okay, see you next time.